Have Fano fighters shot down a helicopter in the Amhara region? Welcome to my views and news. Thanks for watching the channel. Tall claims are being made by Fano group since last night. Any truth behind these claims? Has a helicopter been shot down in the Amhara region or not? Second news story is from the Middle East, where Israel Iran war ongoing. There was an attack close to US embassy in Israel yesterday. Is US being dragged into this war? Secondly, I have a clip for you from Tehran, Iranian capital. People are fleeing the capital. The video shows long queues of vehicles exiting the capital city. Let's start from Ethiopia, where Amhara region Fano groups made some claims in the past about shooting down helicopters, about carrying out attacks on military planes, but none of these claims could be verified. So Fano in the past never succeeded in shooting down any helicopter, any plane. All the claims could not be proven in the past. Uh, New claim, this time it seems something happened. Something happened. Firstly, what is being claimed? What happened? In which part of the Amhara region this helicopter was shot down? Was it shot down? Did it crash? Sometimes helicopters, planes, they crash due to technical reasons. And whenever they crash, the armed groups claim that they brought down the helicopter. So what did happen? The incident happened in West Dambia, which is a Wareda, near Debrecen, Gorgora. In Gorgora, there is tourism, a tourist project, and Ethiopian Prime Minister inaugurated this project some time ago. PP officials were traveling between Gorgora and Gondar yesterday, and they use helicopters for this travel. The incident happened near Lake Tana. A Fano commander made a claim giving an interview about shooting down a helicopter. His name is Kirubil Gobbe. Kirubil Gobbe is a Fano commander of AFPO, Amhara Fano People's Organization. Two main Fano groups are operating in the Amhara region now: AFNF, Amhara Fano National Force, and AFPO, Amhara Fano People's Organization. AFPO is led by Skandar Naga and Mekatao. The group is mainly based in Shoa, but it has its commanders in Gondar too. Kirubil Gobbe and other Fano commanders, they say that this helicopter was making a flight to Gorgora from Gondar when it was hit by Fano fighters. Fano fighters fired at the helicopter. Maybe they had some anti-aircraft weapon, maybe they fired some RPG, and the helicopter was flying at a low altitude. They claim it was shot down, and senior Prosperity Party officials were on board. This is what their claim is. Government-backed activists are rejecting this claim. They say no helicopter has been shot down. But what I have confirmed is that yes, a helicopter crash landed in West Dambia. Did it crash land because it was hit by Fano fighters? Did it crash land because there was a technical fault? That is why the helicopter had to land. It's not clear. People are confirming that the helicopter crash landed, and maybe some people on board were injured. No deaths confirmed so far. That's why it's difficult to say uh, that the helicopter really was shot down. Because if the helicopter was shot down and it just crashed, it means that there could be casualties too. Some Fano groups say that Ariga Kabede and Tamaskin Tarone were the PEEP officials who were being transported from Gondar to Gurgara and vice versa. But evidence is missing. We are waiting for evidence from the ground. I mean, if helicopter was shot down or if it crash landed, we could see some evidence, I think, in the form of pictures, in the form of videos. That evidence is missing so far. That's why we'll have to just wait for some official statement from the government. Amhara regional government, Ethiopian National Defense Force, federal government. No one has issued any statement about this incident. But social media is full of rumors. Pro-Fano news outlets are broadcasting interviews of Fano commanders and others, and they say that the helicopter has been shot down. But we should wait for more verification. As said earlier, crash landing of a helicopter in Gondar is being confirmed by more than one sources. Let's wait for more verification. Second was Iran Israel war, exchange of missile strikes, exchange of drone strikes ongoing. Iran is starting to hit targets. It hit several targets in Haifa last night. Oil refinery was hit for the second time. So Iranian missiles are now starting to hit targets. Iran has suffered more losses. Its top leaders have been eliminated in this operation by Israel. Firstly, U.S. embassy in Israel was partially damaged. A little damage happened reportedly when a ballistic missile fired from Iran landed close to the embassy. The embassy and consulate are closed today. U.S. ambassador to Israel has confirmed that the embassy and consulate will remain closed on Monday because of the Iranian missile attack. The missile landed very close to embassy, so the embassy suffered minor damage, but no casualty of any American officials. Is America going to be part of this war? US could be tempted to join this war if it sees a real chance of destroying Iran, I think. Iran so far is putting up resistance. It suffered immense losses in the first round of attacks by Israel. It's gradually recovering. Its missiles starting to hit targets in Israel. So US watching the developments very closely. I don't think it has made up any mind to join the war or not. It's waiting for the right time to make a decision, I think. Meanwhile, people are fleeing Tehran, Iranian capital, videos in circulation showing exodus of people from Tehran. Why? Because Israel has been conducting strikes on Tehran for the last 3 days. Saharan oil depot was hit in Tehran. Several residential buildings were hit in Tehran. IRGC commanders live in Tehran. There are military installations in Tehran. So Tehran is not safe. And I think Israel threatened that Tehran could be leveled if the war goes on. So people definitely scared. That is why large number of people are leaving Tehran. I have a clip for you showing long queues of vehicles leaving Tehran. Watch the clip. Thanks for watching.
ساعت 5 صبح آزادراه تهران شمال خلاف دارم ایسا کن برنمیم این لعنت به جنگ امروزی اصلا زیاده اینجا تا اول اتوبان بابایی 10-12 کیلومتره، شاید هم بیشتر. خیلی هم جلوتر ترافیک باز شده بود، بنزین نداشتن، تمام کرده بودن، زده بودن بغل.